Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In today's quick tip video, I want to talk to you about two things. Snails and slugs, how to take care of them, and if you have rabbits coming in, if you don't have a fence, what can you do to protect your plants from rabbits? Dish racks from thrift stores. They come in all kinds of different sizes, cover your plants. If you have birds coming in, pecking out, germinating seedlings, dish rack works really well. When the plants get larger, you can remove them. Snails and slugs, I get them in my garden here in Maryland Zone 7. This is a sulfur bait. These are baited with something that attracts the slugs. They eat it, they get the sulfur in their digestive system, it kills them off. This is pretty safe. If you don't want this around pets, don't use it, but it says it can be used around pets and wildlife. I want to show you how to use this because the snails and slugs start coming out now. This will be my second treatment. I do it once a month. You can see weeds are starting to come up, ground is getting warmer, garden's a bit of a mess, but that is when the snails and slugs come out. Kill them early, you're not going to have a problem. Here's how you use it. It also remains effective in the rain, and it's raining right now. You take a handful, baited pellets, and you're not dropping this in piles, you are just scattering it all over the place. And I just walk around, pick the areas, let's get this in focus, of where the snails and slugs hide, and I just broadcast it. Just scatter some right in there. I think there's probably snails and slugs under my little shed right there, scattered in. You get a lot of pellets, so you're not going to kind of whip through several bags just doing this. But you're looking for all the locations where the snails and slugs are going to hide. You scatter the pellets nicely around, do that once a month. They eat it, shuts down their digestive system, kills them off. And you want to make sure that you're doing this once every month to kill off the snails and slugs that are just coming out of the ground. Like right in this space would be a perfect place to scatter the pellets. You want to kill off the snails and slugs that are coming out. You want to kill off the snails and slugs that hatch and grow. And you want to do this over at least a 3-month period. But it's really changed how I can garden here in Maryland Zone 7 because I really get no damage from, of course, snails and slugs. Thanks for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com. And please subscribe. I'll have a bunch of quick tip videos. I have longer format videos, all kinds of different videos to teach you how to really have a wonderful vegetable garden. And like right in this space where the shed is and the raised beds are over there, I would scatter a handful of the slug bait right over there too. Just walk around wherever you think the snails and slugs are hiding, scatter some bait. Thanks for watching.